Welcome to our training session on the Amazon Management Console. In this session, we'll be diving into what the Amazon Management Console is, its uses, benefits, features, and its pricing structure. This console is a key component of the AWS platform, offering a user-friendly interface to access and manage a wide range of AWS services. What is the Amazon Management Console? The Amazon Management Console is a web-based interface for managing AWS services. It provides a simple, graphical way to access a broad set of AWS resources and services. The console's intuitive design makes it easy for beginners to start using AWS, while also providing powerful tools for experienced developers and administrators. The Amazon Management Console is used across various scenarios, including easy access to AWS services. Whether you need to launch a new Amazon EC2 instance, set up Amazon S3 storage, or deploy a new application with AWS Elastic Beanstalk, the console simplifies these processes. Monitoring and management: it allows users to monitor their AWS resources, track costs, and configure alerts and notifications. Resource organization and management: users can organize resources by tags, view detailed information about each service, and manage permissions and security settings. Benefits and features: intuitive user interface: the console's user-friendly design makes navigating and managing AWS services straightforward. Comprehensive dashboard: it provides a centralized view of your AWS resources, service limits, billing, and more. Flexible access management: easily manage user permissions and access to various AWS services through AWS Identity and Access Management or IAM. Service integration: seamlessly integrates with a wide range of AWS services for a cohesive management experience. Customization: users can customize the dashboard to focus on resources and services that are most important to their work. Pricing: access to the Amazon Management Console is free. Users only pay for the AWS resources they use and manage through the console. The console itself does not incur any additional charges. We are in the AWS console home window now, and from the drop-down menu, we have access to recently visited services, favorites, all services, and groups of services by categories, and on the right drop-down menu we have the recently visited services. Let's go back to console home. And we have a direct access to Cloud Shell from here. In the question mark symbol at the top of the menu bar, we can find here Support Center, Expert Help, Repost, Documentation, Training, Getting Started Resource Center and Feedback. We have settings here as to how would you like your console home UI looks like. Then we have Regions section. Beside this on the far right is your account details including account ID and IAM user. You can access your account here, organization, service quotas, billing and cost management, security credentials, and we can switch account roles as well here. In the main dashboard, you can see a bunch of widgets here such as welcome details, AWS health, cost, and usage, build a solution. Then below we have trusted advisor, explore AWS, latest announcements, recent AWS blog posts, including applications and security all can be customized by adding widgets. And that's all for our short AWS Management Console user interface review. The Amazon Management Console is a crucial tool for anyone using AWS. It offers a simple yet powerful way to interact with the wide array of services provided by AWS. From beginners looking to explore AWS to seasoned professionals managing complex infrastructures, the console provides the necessary tools and insights to efficiently manage your cloud resources. As part of our ongoing AWS training series, stay tuned for more detailed explorations of specific AWS services available through the console. Thank you for joining this session. We hope you now have a better understanding of the Amazon Management Console and how it can simplify your AWS experience.